Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Imagine a world where robots can talk, cars can drive themselves, and your phone knows exactly what you want to watch next. Sounds like science fiction, right? But guess what, this world is already here, and it's all thanks to something called artificial intelligence, or AI. But what exactly is AI, where is AI, and what are the uses of AI? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of AI, where machines are getting smarter every day and helping us in ways we never thought possible. Ready to explore? Let's get started. What is AI? Imagine you have a super smart robot friend who can learn and think like a human. This robot can help you with your homework, play games, and even tell stories. It doesn't have a brain like ours, but it uses something called artificial intelligence or AI to understand and learn things. AI is like a big brain made of computers that helps machines make decisions, solve problems, and learn from their mistakes, just like we do when we practice something. So, when you talk to a voice assistant or play a video game where the characters seem really smart, that's AI in action. Where is AI? AI is all around us, even though we can't see it like we see a computer or a phone. It's in a lot of the things we use every day. For example, in your phone. When you ask your phone to play a song or tell you the weather, AI is helping it understand what you're saying. 1. In video games. The characters in your video games that act really smart or seem to know what you're going to do next are using AI to make the game more fun. 2. In cars. Some cars use AI to help drivers stay safe by warning them if they're too close to something, or even driving themselves. 3. Online. When you watch videos on YouTube, AI helps pick out other videos you might like based on what you've watched before. So, AI is like a smart helper that lives in different machines and gadgets, making them work better and smarter. What are the uses of AI? AI is like a helpful robot that can do all kinds of cool things. Here are some ways AI is used. 1. Helping with homework. AI can answer your questions, explain things you don't understand, and even help you practice math or learn new words. 2. Playing games. In video games, AI controls the characters you play against, making them challenging and fun to compete with. 3. Making art. AI can create drawings, music, and even write stories. It's like having a super creative buddy who can help you come up with new ideas. 4. Finding things. AI helps you search for things online, like when you're looking for pictures of your favorite animals or finding a fun video to watch. 5. Keeping us safe. Some AI systems help doctors find out what's wrong with people who are sick or help firefighters find the safest way to fight a fire. 6. Helping robots work. AI is what makes robots able to do jobs like building things, cleaning, or even exploring places where people can't go, like deep in the ocean or on other planets. So, AI is like a super helper that can do a lot of different things to make life easier, more fun, and even safer. What are dangers in AI? AI is like a really smart robot or computer that can help us in many ways, but there are some things we need to be careful about. 1. Making mistakes. Sometimes, AI can get things wrong because it doesn't understand things like a person does. For example, if AI makes a mistake when helping with a task, it could cause problems. 2. Job changes. AI can do some jobs very quickly, which might mean that some people might lose their jobs because a machine can do the work instead. But it also means new jobs will be created to work with AI. 3. Privacy. AI can collect and use a lot of information about people, like what we do online or where we go. If this information isn't kept safe, it could be used in ways that aren't good. 4. Fairness. Sometimes, AI might not treat everyone equally if it's not programmed carefully. For example, it might make decisions that aren't fair to some people because it doesn't understand what's fair. 5. Dependence. If we rely too much on AI, we might forget how to do things on our own, like solving problems or thinking creatively. So, while AI is a very powerful tool, we need to be smart about how we use it. By understanding these dangers, we can make sure AI is used in a way that helps everyone and keeps us safe. What is the future of AI? The future of AI is like imagining a world where super smart robots and machines help us with even more amazing things. 1. Smarter helpers. In the future, AI could become even better at helping us with everyday tasks, like cleaning the house, cooking meals, or doing homework faster and easier. 2. Cooler gadgets. Imagine toys, games, and devices that understand you even better, making them more fun and exciting to use. AI could help invent new kinds of games that are more interactive and personalized just for you. 3. Better doctors. AI might help doctors discover new medicines and treatments to keep people healthy. It could also help in finding out what's wrong with someone faster, so they can get better quickly. 4. Safe drivers. AI could make self-driving cars so smart that they can take you anywhere safely, without needing a person to drive them. 5. Learning together. AI might help teachers create super fun and interesting lessons, making learning even more exciting. You could have AI tutors who understand exactly how you learn best. 6. Helping the planet. AI could also help us find new ways to take care of the Earth, like cleaning up pollution, saving animals, and using energy more wisely. So, the future of AI is about making our lives better, more fun, and safer. It's like having a super smart friend that's always learning and finding new ways to help us. Will AI replace the humans in the future? AI is like a very smart robot or computer, but it's different from people. Some people worry that AI might take over jobs or do things that only humans can do. But here's the thing, AI is really good at helping with certain tasks, but it can't do everything humans can. Humans have feelings, creativity, and can think in ways that AI can't. For example, AI can help doctors by looking at lots of data really fast, but it can't comfort a patient the way a human doctor can. AI can play games with you, but it can't be your friend in the same way another person can. In the future, AI will probably do more and more jobs, like helping in factories or driving cars. But it will also create new jobs for people, like designing and taking care of the AI systems. Instead of replacing humans, AI will work alongside us, making our lives easier and helping us do things better. So, while AI is powerful, it's not going to replace humans, it's going to help us do more amazing things. And there you have it. Artificial intelligence is not just something from the future, it's a big part of our lives today and will only keep growing. Whether it's helping doctors find cures for diseases, making games more fun, or even driving us to school one day, AI is here to stay. But remember, the most important part of AI isn't the robots or the gadgets, it's you. Your imagination, your ideas, and your creativity will shape what AI can do next. So, what will you dream up? The future is yours to create. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.